If you're looking to add e-signatures to your proposals automatically, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to streamline the process and save tons of time, so you can focus on what matters most. Stick with me, because at the end, I'll also give you exclusive access to a free trial of the software I recommend, which will make this all even easier. First, let's get right into it. The process of adding e-signatures to your proposals automatically is simpler than you might think, and you can do it in just a few steps. You won't need to keep sending proposals back and forth for manual signing anymore. That's a thing of the past. What you'll need is a reliable e-signature software that integrates with your proposal software. Our software does exactly that. It's seamless, easy to set up, and the best part is it's going to save you a ton of time. So, let's start with connecting the software. Once you've signed up and logged in, look for the integration settings. You want to link your proposal tool to the e-signature feature in our software. It's usually just a few clicks to authorize the connection, and then you're ready to move forward. Now the next step is customizing the signature fields. When you're creating your proposal, just add a placeholder for the signature. This is the spot where the client's e-signature will automatically appear. You can choose to add other fields like date or name if needed. It's super flexible. Once your proposal is set up with the necessary signature fields, the software automatically sends your proposal to the client with the e-signature feature included. They'll be able to sign it digitally with just a few clicks, and you'll get notified once it's signed. And here's the kicker. You can set up automatic reminders for clients who haven't signed yet, so you're not constantly chasing them. It's all automatic, and you can customize how often you want to follow up with reminders. Now, before you go ahead and start using the software, I want to remind you that you can get an exclusive free trial of the software I'm using in this tutorial. It's a great way to follow along with everything I just showed you. Just check the description below for the link to grab that trial. To wrap up, the key takeaway is this. Automating e-signatures in your proposals isn't just a time saver, it's a game changer for boosting your efficiency and professionalism. To quickly recap, first, connect your proposal software to our software. Next, add the signature fields where needed, and then send your proposal. The e-signature will be added automatically, and you won't have to manually chase down signatures anymore. Plus, automatic reminders are a bonus. Don't forget to check out that free trial in the description below, and I'll catch you in the next one.